Hi, this is Jesse from Dr. PC Fix with a video about handling and maintenance techniques for mobile devices. Most mobile devices, by their very nature, are small. This means that they can be damaged by improper handling and maintenance. Here, we'll look at a few ways to keep mobile devices safe. Now, we all put our mobile phones into a pocket, often a pocket that we sit on. It's easy to forget that a screen can be scratched or broken, especially if it does not have a screen protector on it. Screen protectors for phones and tablets are inexpensive, particularly compared to the price of repairing or replacing the screen on the device. Follow the screen protector's directions to apply it after cleaning the screen thoroughly. Many stores will install the screen protector for you when you buy a phone. Protective cases are also available for many phones and tablets. They can be installed in addition or in place of a screen protector. Avoid leaving mobile devices in hot cars or outside in cold weather, and keep them away from liquids that can damage the electronics. Laptops are larger than other mobile devices, but they have their own handling considerations, being that they're heavier and larger. Most importantly, they have air ducts to allow air to circulate inside and keep the laptop from overheating. Do not cover the air ducts and occasionally blow dust away from the openings when the laptop is turned off. Always make sure that you're using the laptop on a flat surface as to not cover any of the air ducts on the bottom of the laptop. The bottom surface of a laptop can get quite warm if placed on a lap when there's not enough space between the device and the wall. If you get it feeling warm, move it or make more space so that air can push out the heat through the ducts. Properly caring for the battery in a mobile device prolongs battery life. Using the correct battery is critical, otherwise the device can be irreparably damaged. If you must replace the battery, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Using an incorrect battery charger or third-party cable can also prove fatal to a device. Don't substitute one that does not meet manufacturer's specifications. When you're transporting a laptop, make sure you use a soft-sided carrying case. It won't protect against all drops, but some protection is better than none. By following these simple tips, you can protect your mobile devices from damage and expensive repairs. Thanks for watching.